Hey everyone, it's me, Bakis, and welcome back to the Canva Cafe. Today we're going to be doing a Halloween-inspired motion flyer, and I'm also going to implement Canva's new feature, Magic Switch, where you can translate your flyer into another language, which I think will be very helpful if you have different audiences who speak another language and you don't speak that language, but you want to communicate to them. And as you can see, it's in one language and then I had it translated into another. So let's get on with the tutorial. So this is what we're going to be making. And shout out to I am Shanae over on Instagram for this AI model. She has several other models that she offers for sale and some classes on how to make AI models. So make sure you check her out on Instagram and let her know the Canva Cafe sent you. So I decided to find the background, and this background, I believe I searched cobwebs, or you can search whatever you want for your background, but I decided to use this. And not in this tutorial, but I believe I made it a little bit transparent and I forgot to show that in this tutorial. But once again, do you see those pretty AI models? Once again, it's from I am Shanae on Instagram. Make sure you're following her. She don't know I'm shouting her out because she don't know me. But go ahead and support your girl. And she also, like I said, offers classes on how to make your own AI models in case you don't have any models for any photo shoots. So I think this would be a really great cost saver for you. So think about doing that. So I'm just making the image transparent like a ghost. So I just put her on the other side, and I'm just going to move sis over here to the other side. And to save time, I just copied and pasted the text from above, and I used the shadow function to have the colors behind that 50% off. And I also used the outline function for the words Halloween to give that extra black outline. And if you want to see the elements that I'm using, just stop and blow it up so you can see what I'm using. I believe I Googled fog, but that is some type of a cloud, but I believe I Googled fog, but I searched in the element box. So I also added this extra money to play off of the sale that we are having, and I'm going to place it behind our beautiful fake model. And now I just use the square, and I'm going to use that as my box to write our website in. And I'm just going to shrink it and pull it out and make it more narrow and go back up to the top and use those functions that allows me to make a border for my box. And I'm going to change the color of the box to white, and I'm going to add a border, and the border is going to be black. And then you can change it to the thickness, however thick you want that black outline, or however thin you want the outline. So I'm just writing our website, our fictitious website, and I'm just adding a lot of extra elements. And if this wasn't Halloween, you could just do everything without all this extra spooky stuff, okay? And I decided to go and change the color behind the word, behind that 50% off, because it was orange. And here I'm using the magic grab so that I can separate the knife from the background. I'm just showing you how that works. And I'm putting the word 50% over that knife so that it would look like it's slashing it. And of course, what's slashing without a little blood? Oh gosh. So eventually what we're going to do, we're going to make money move. So we're going to use the custom function in the animate, and all I'm doing is using my clicker to guide where I want the money or whatever element I'm choosing to move, and it'll show your path, as hence that purple line. And then you can go in and adjust it to make it move smoother or steadier, which I want it to move steady, so it just keeps moving without all that extra stoppage. And it has other little elements you can add to it, like the flicker and all these other little things. And I thought this was really cool because it made it fade in and out like a ghost. So I decided to add that, and I did that same custom animation to the other element, which is the knife. So I made it go up and down and smooth it out, and I did the flicker also so it could fade in and out. And I just added this smoke, or it's like a smoky haze over her, just to give it a little bit more spooky interest. And I duplicated and I put it over the other girl, but I could not remember for the life of me how I did it on the other one. You see, I keep looking, I still don't know. So I should have just cut and paste. So anyway, I just made it a little bit more transparent. And I added this tarantula. And I'm going to do the same movement, the same custom movement. So hint, when you want something to move, figure out your starting point before you add the motion, and then figure out your ending point. So I wanted it to end over on that side. And so I had to make sure I started the spider from the left side so that I can have the motion going. And this is how it came out. And if you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget, down in the comments, let me know what other tutorials you want to see. And like I said, I used the magic switch to translate it into Spanish. So I see y'all next time. Bye.